Yeah, man. So British people cut up. Them cut up really seriously about what is being said about we are living like ratbats. It's a struggle. Where is Mr. Man?
Yes, a star David here. Well, what it is really a struggle up here for true. You see what me I say? And if you don't get £30 or £40 down there, be grateful. Yeah? Foreign is not a bed of rose. You see me? Know that. But you not gonna know until you know up here and experience it. You say he or she who feels it, surely knows it. That me I say upon it.
That's true because no found you know no come over here. No found no come here and no run back. No run back go down because you no say too hard, it too cold. You understand? You never stay. You never stay for the long haul. You no run back and you say foreign too hard and foreign too cold. You understand? I know no criticize people who they are work hard. You know, if you stop it, man. And then again, you know, sometimes when you can send something up here for foreigner too, you know, would appreciate whatever you send, you know, when you know crap come in and all them things there. Send something for people up here, man. I would appreciate it too. We are work hard. Alright? Me never know about hard life until me come to England.
No, I don't go back home.
Because no, me did have life easy at Jamaica, but at the end of the day, me come here and me make a life here with my children. In the long run, me go yes, because me there pay bill all kind of something, and me stress out most time.
Time for left
My things.
You never have no fridge when you're there at Jamaica, you never have no TV. But me did have fridge and me did have TV, me did have everything to me comfort. But at the end of the day, you have to explore the universe. You understand?
Without Jamaica. Right? Younger fridge what we know. I dig the dirt, get the sawdust and the banana trash and put it and put the ice in one big plastic.
Then that before civilization starts. You are talk about.
Used to do out there.
You are talk about before civilization start. Me a talk about.
And to keep the meat, we used to over the fire and smoke it.
All you now go back to Jamaica for now, Winston. Because you think Jamaica stayed out. Lucius was dead our day, so when him go, the house move. The house move. When him go back to Jamaica, the house gone. Jamaica change up now.
When you also when you put on wheel.
Me no know the house where him know where it out there when him go back the house gone.
They move it.
It no must move if it take 60 years to go back.
Yeah, somebody else say me put them pan truck and move them.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, me a £40 you know.
You got littles on them.
And if me turn in a one of them supermarket up on the high street, me can buy a whole heap of things. And me go take up £40 or send come give somebody where don't appreciate it. You understand me? And it's very hurtful. It's very hurtful to know that people don't appreciate your efforts. You understand? People make sacrifice over here because right now if me turn in this shop here. If me have £40 and start shopping at this shop here. Eh? You know how much things me can, my £40 can buy?
May I say God bless the food bank round at the church round and so. Billston New Testament Church. Bless God bless the food bank. See Bishop wife in the shop, yeah?
Are you a Bishop wife lady?
Yeah.
Are you get the food bank?
No, I don't deal with another lady does the food. She
And give her free food, don't me not get none.
because you didn't come in.
Tell me when to come at me come up for some food bank food, yeah?
Yeah, promote it.
When can I come for some food bank food? Eh?
And the cafe as well. You must come to the cafe for something to eat.
When you
Yeah,
get breakfast.
promote the calf.
Where is the food bank, lady?
At the New Testament Church.
Which part?
Wellington Road.
Wellington Road.
You
Yeah.
never go over there?
Don't forget over there, I never know about it.
You didn't? Okay.
What time what you give away?
Right by
Chicken
bus
and steak and peas?
You know, you don't give away. You have to buy it.
No, it's giveaway.
I give away?
It's free.
Food bank free. Yeah.
So how come when me come have to pay for my sandwich?
That is the calf.
That's the calf. That's different from the food bank.
Okay.
Pandemic, you know what I mean? I think the food bank was better still because there's more things
There
given
was
away.
more, yeah.
You know what I
Now
mean?
everybody's these aren't all
'Cause
nice.
we're really-
So I will be going to the food bank to get some free food.
Food bank over. You have to come over
The
here.
food bank is on a
I mean, man, God bless the food
Tuesday
bank.
and Thursday.
All right.
Tuesday and Friday. But I think it's every other week now.
And we get with dinner everything.
No, you don't get you don't get cooked meal.
Oh, we get beef, pork.
Sometimes you get chicken,
Okay.
but that's about it.
Friday,
That's
Friday,
it.
we're gonna come and see you Friday.
Friday. You
That's
get-
1936,
Friday.
darling.
We're gonna get wrapped up on the
2 weeks
clock.
now.
Yeah, it's every
Okay.